How to create a color TIFF with Raster Image Printer 12. TIFF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. TIFF Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, and Monochrome TIFF. To create multi-page color TIFF images, simply set the profile Color Optimized TIFF as TIFF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all of the following information also applies if you are creating TIFF images with your Raster Image Printer 12. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and ensure that Color Optimized TIFF is set as the default profile. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management. Now each time you print to TIFF Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the Color Optimized TIFF profile to your output TIFF images. Our default Color Optimized TIFF profile is configured to create multi-page TIFF images at 300 dpi with colors reduced to optimal palette. This setting will reduce each page down to the smallest number of colors required to represent the page. Therefore, all colors present in the original file will be maintained in the output TIFF image. We do offer other color options including 256 color palette, a 16 color palette, optimal palette max 256 colors, optimal palette max 16 colors, and none. The goal of all of these color options is to reduce the number of colors present in the image, thereby reducing the TIFF file size. If file size is not a concern, we recommend sticking with optimal palette. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the default Color Optimized TIFF profile, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close the Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to TIFF. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to TIFF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. Now files printed to TIFF Image Printer will be color and multi-paged. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.